Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your S23 Ultra. First, power on your new device and simply follow the on-screen instructions. You'll want to connect to a strong Wi-Fi network early on. This ensures faster downloads and system updates. Next, sign in with your Google account. This step is crucial for restoring your previous apps, contacts, and other important data seamlessly. It makes the transition much smoother. Now, let's get your data moved over. Use Samsung's Smart Switch, which makes transferring everything from your old phone incredibly easy, whether it's an Android or iOS device. After that, prioritize your security. Set up a robust lock screen method like fingerprint or face recognition for quick and secure access. Also, enable two-factor authentication on your key accounts for an extra layer of protection. It's time to make your S23 Ultra truly yours. Dive into customization by personalizing your home screen with widgets, wallpapers, and themes that reflect your style. Don't forget to adjust your display settings for the best viewing experience, perhaps tweaking the refresh rate for smoother scrolling. Finally, head over to the Google Play Store to download all your essential applications, from social media to productivity tools. Let's explore some advanced features. Get familiar with the S Pen. It offers incredible precision for note-taking, drawing, and navigating your device. To maximize your phone's endurance, optimize battery life by adjusting power-saving modes and background app usage. For a different kind of upgrade, consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for a smarter home. Check the description below for a link to this amazing product and other great deals to enhance your tech ecosystem.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.